Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Research Day. Once again, this is Doc Del, your professor in research. So, this time, merong estudyante na nagtatanong kung paano nga ba mag-identify ng indicators doon sa identified variables. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing, research, and education, you will always be updated. So this time, there are two ways, no? There are two ways kung paano natin ma-identify yung indicator ng variable. First, we can use AI. And secondly, pwede tayong doon sa Google. Okay, so for example, punta tayo doon sa AI. So let's go back to our research title, Customer Preferences and Satisfaction among tea shops in Butuan City. Okay, so with the aid of AI, so pwede natin ganitohin, no? Determinants of um, customer preferences. Okay. So, here, meron siyang ibinigay. We have personal factors, we have personality and values, psychological factors, social factors, situational factors, marketing factors. Okay, so yun ang binigay ng word na determinant. Okay, so this time, let's have predictors. Predictors of customer preferences. Okay, so tingnan natin. So, sa predictors, we have past behavior, demographics, psychographics, and social influence, then situational factors, market trends, and external factors. Okay, tingnan natin yung demographics dito nakalagay. So, pwede natin itong gamitin mamaya sa profiling. Age, gender, income, education, as well as location. Okay. So, the next one is factors of customer preferences. Okay. So, doon tayo sa factors. So, dito meron siyang binigay personal, psychological, social factors, situational, marketing factors. Okay, so there are 5. So, in identifying an indicator, no, for us to be able to have an indicator in our variable, we can use determinants of, predictors of, and factors of. However, no, the second way of how to identify indicators with our variable, so dito tayo sa Google. However, gagamitin pa rin natin yung tatlong phrases. Okay, so for example dito, determinants of customer preferences. Okay. So dito, what are the determinants of customer preferences? So dito merong culture, education, and individual taste. Okay. So, palitan natin ng predictors. Of. Okay, so ano yung predictors? Okay. Dito meron na pwede quality, price, convenience, and brand reputations. No? This is more specific with regard to quality, price, convenience, and brand reputation. So another one is punta tayo doon sa factors of customer preferences. O dito meron siya, okay, so merong cultural, social, personal, psychological factors, marketing campaigns, economic conditions, personal preferences, and promises of personal satisfaction. So these are the two ways for us to be able to identify indicators with our variables. And take note that for us to be able to measure the variable, we need to have an indicator. So ganyan lang siya kadali, kasimple, so that we could be able now to draw our figure or our research paradigm. So ganun lang siya even in getting your independent or dependent variable, your profile. So usually demographic profile has something to do with the age, with the sex, no, with the location, with educational status, um, income, profession. So, yun ang mga demographic variables. Okay, or demographic profile. So, I hope that the one who asked for this ay may natutunan ka, no, para maging simple and swak, no, simply and then accurate, no, accurate yung mga indicators na ating ma-identify with this particular variable. So thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone, and I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. Way away.